Hello friends, welcome to yet another video where we will analyze both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now I am preparing this video as of market close on Thursday, 7th of September 2023. Now friends, here on the screen I have the daily chart of Nifty. Now we saw in today's session that Nifty closed with very handsome gains of around 116 points and Bank Nifty with almost a 500-point rally. Let's just analyze the Nifty daily chart. Now, friends, if you see my last maybe videos for the past 2 weeks or so, I have been suggesting that this market should not be shorted, and I have been stating repeatedly that the lows that the market made recently look unlikely to break. So if you see over here on the chart, 19,250 was tested on quite a few occasions, and Nifty Bulls saved 19,250 each time we reached over there. Now from a low of 19,250 odd to around 19,750 odd. So that's almost like a 500-point rally. This is what Nifty Bulls have done over the past few trading sessions. Now, I did say that this market looks to have limited downside, and probably even the upside, I think, was not very great until 19,400 odd was taken out. Now, that range of 19,250 to 19,400 broke very decisively a few trading sessions earlier. After that, the resistance that we had was roughly around 19,600 odd. Now, in today's session, bulls have managed a decisive close above 19,600 as well. So, as I was suggesting that this market should not be shorted, and I have in each of my videos over the last, I think, 2 odd weeks, I have been suggesting that you either stay long on this market with a hedge, or you can probably consider selling straddles if this market actually shows range bound movement. Now, until yesterday's session, this market was moving in a range. However, this range has been broken decisively in today's session. The resistance of 19,600 has been taken out by Nifty Bulls very decisively today. So, how do we trade this market for the next few days? Now, I think considering that bulls have given such a solid close today, I think you should definitely not short this market on the premise that we have rallied well off the lows. So a short trade is out of the question. So you can either stay long on this market by hedging your long position with a long put, or by selling a call, or I think you can still consider selling straddles. Now remember that when you sell options, okay, the risk is always there that the premium that you have received and the move that happens in the market, that can actually be quite different. So you have to be very careful when you're selling options. It's better that you also buy some out of the money options to hedge your straddles. So I think there are only two strategies in this market currently. Number one is you either stay long on this market with a hedge, or you can consider selling straddles. Now you have to choose the strike prices very carefully which you want to sell, because this market has such strong momentum on the upside. It probably makes sense to sell in the money or at the money puts and out of the money calls. Now remember, any trading strategy can go wrong, so you have to have your hedges in place and choose your uh, strike prices very carefully if you are selling options. Now the previous lifetime high for Nifty was 19,991, which is roughly just about 250 odd points from current levels. Now, will we get there or no? We do not know, but the momentum for the bulls is definitely very strong. Probably we will actually at least go somewhere close to these levels, because it is not very far away from it. In percentage terms, it is less than 2 percentage points from the current close that we have. So friends, just to summarize, for Nifty, I think a short trade is out of the question, and the only trade that you should consider is either a long position with a hedge, or probably you should consider selling a straddle, or maybe selling options with different strike prices. That is maybe a a triangle you can consider. However, keep in mind that selling options is always quite a risky proposition, and you need to hedge properly. Now, friends, this is as far as Nifty is concerned. Now, let's take a look at Bank Nifty. Now, for Bank Nifty also, in today's session, bulls have very decisively crossed this particular trend line resistance, which you see over here. This trend line, which was acting as a resistance for the last few sessions, now today bulls have managed to close very decisively above this trend line. The momentum again looks very strong even for Bank Nifty. Again, there is really not much to say. We probably are very close to 45,000, which was the previous resistance, and barely a stone's throw away from today's close. So probably we should be headed towards 45,000, where the bulls might face some resistance. Now, on the downside, the support for Bank Nifty bulls is roughly around 44,300 odd levels, which approximately is the low for today's session and for the last few sessions. If you see over here, around 44,300, Bank Nifty has been finding good support. So again, just like Nifty, the trade for Bank Nifty also should be on the long side. Remember, it is always better that you hedge even your long position by either buying a put or by shorting a call. Whatever strategy you think is suitable for you, you can adopt. But I think the correct trade would be to stay long on this market, or if you are trading in options, probably you should consider selling in the money or at the money puts, and probably selling out of the money calls to hedge these puts that you have sold. Different permutations and combinations can be worked out depending on your risk appetite and the way you want to manage your risk. But very broadly, in general, maybe I can just state that this market still looks to be very strong, and I have been suggesting over the past 2 odd weeks that I don't think you should be shorting this market even now. So friends, this is what I think about both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Do share your comments on the video, and do subscribe to my channel in case you have not subscribed to it until now. I intend to post at least one market video after close of market hours each day. So friends, until next time, good luck. Cheers.